Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still.
How would you like to send unlimited emails at the push of a button for a one-time fee? And you could do it all without ever writing a single email yourself, or even having your own email list to begin with. Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have own autoresponder with built-in sending servers and dedicated IPs blasting your affiliate link to thousands of people in seconds. When you have an email list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands of dollars simply by sending an email. And the best part, you can now do the same. Look, email marketing quickly became a costly experience that's reserved for the elites. By charging prohibitive 3 to 4 figure prices yearly, only the so-called gurus have had the ability to quickly grow their lists and take advantage of this massively profitable system. With other major autoresponders, their cheapest plan starts at $228 per year, and you can only store 500 subscribers. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective solution with zero limitations and even more features and easier to use than anything else on the market right now. Introducing ProfitEngage. It's the only cloud autoresponder out there that comes with built-in SMTP servers and dedicated IPs, and for a low one-time fee can be set up in under 2 minutes straight in the cloud, working from both desktop and mobile, and will allow you to send thousands of emails, completely for free. What sets ProfitEngage apart is that it's not just another autoresponder. No, with ProfitEngage, you're actually getting done-for-you leads you can upload and mail straight away, and a revolutionary new AI system that writes emails for you. Not just that, ProfitEngage will allow you to upload a list of subscribers straight into the app, with no double opt-in or any verification required whatsoever. Mail your list as often as you like, plus build your list with our built-in opt-in forms, so you can finally say goodbye to expensive autoresponders with monthly fees that provide a subpar experience and can even close down your account anytime they want to. You can even send unlimited SMS texts or Instagram messages to reach your audience in fresh new ways, all from the same interface. The software is incredibly easy to use. Just log into our web app and upload your list of subscribers, or use the built-in squeeze pages and opt-in forms to build your list from scratch if you don't have one yet. Now, unlike other one-time fee autoresponders that require you to set up a sending server like Mailgun or SendGrid, ProfitEngage does not operate that way. We have our own sending servers and SMTP dedicated IPs already pre-configured and working seamlessly for you. Simply email your list as often as you'd like, completely free. Uploading your list is as easy as clicking a couple of buttons. You can directly import subscribers without restrictions, meaning you can instantly transfer your list from Aweber, get response, or even import your own list of buyers. Next, choose a design for your email from our built-in templates and then use our beautiful campaign editor to mail your list and start making money. You can send emails immediately or schedule them to go out anytime you desire, with no limitations, no monthly fees, no headaches. How cool is that? You get all the features of a regular autoresponder without any of the restrictions. That means you can still build your list with our opt-in forms, schedule broadcasts anytime, create unlimited lists and campaigns within minutes. With ProfitEngage, you're in full control with no monthly fees, no restrictions, and a marketing-friendly interface. And with built-in SMTP and dedicated IPs, plus the ability to send unlimited SMS texts and Instagram messages, there's literally no app quite like ProfitEngage out there. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitEngage during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount and unlimited access. We're excited to step into this new era of email marketing together. Welcome to ProfitEngage.
You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad.
What's up, JVs? Radu here. On behalf of myself and the entire Profit team, we'd like to say big thank you for choosing to support our next blockbuster launch called ProfitEngage, going live December 15th on Warrior Plus. Now, after smashing 3,000 sales with Profit Domain, we took the same recipe and we're applying it to the email marketing system. With ProfitEngage, it's the ultimate email marketing platform that combines all the different elements that your subscribers need in order to be, successful email marketers. And that includes finding leads, cleaning those leads, so the list is clean and inboxes, an email writer, so they don't even have to write their own emails, and of course an all-in-one autoresponder with built-in SMTP. So it's really an all-in-one. They don't need to have a list, they don't need to have an autoresponder, they don't need to be able to write emails. We give everything to them with done-for-you offers, so it's really a complete no-brainer with the funnel built from the ground up to make you the most commissions possible. Now, you've seen us on leaderboards, we crush them every time for all of our top affiliates, and for this one, it's not going to be any different at all. So make sure you hit our leaderboards come December 15th for ProfitEngage. You can find swipes, bonuses, demo video, everything on this JV page right under my video. Reach out to either one of us if you need any help at all, and I will see you on the leaderboard come December 15th for ProfitEngage. Thanks for watching, thanks for promoting.
You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad.
Welcome to ProfitEngage, your one-stop shop for email autoresponding. So let's dive right into it. From the dashboard, we can see the onboarding process of ProfitEngage. We've already done some of it. You can also see statistics about your campaign on this all-in-one dashboard. You can compose messages to send them quickly to your subscribers. You can see all of the messages that were sent. You can have drafts and you can throw some messages into the trash. Apart from quickly composing emails, you can also set up entire campaigns for newsletters or updates about your products. But let's just quickly compose an email to see how ProfitEngage works. So I go right here. We've already configured a domain and the name for that domain, which is Kalin@apponline.cloud. And now all we have to do is just put the subject, select the recipient, and then click send. And done. We can now see it's been sent. We can see to which email it's been sent and the message. And surely enough, I just got a notification. And if we head over to Gmail, we can see it right here. Awesome. You can add an unlimited amount of contacts. As you can see right here, you can import them or add them manually. You can add as many domains as you want and then create as many sender identities as you need. What's more, ProfitEngage allows you to create your own list on different criterias. So either by first name, either by email, or by customer actions, when the last email was sent or when they've received it, which is extremely useful to send to exactly who you want to. You can also create groups of your customers if you want to send to certain groups. And with an integrated list cleaner and email builder, not to mention the integrated done-for-you leads that you get with your purchase of ProfitEngage, and with integrated support and training directly into the app to help you seamlessly, ProfitEngage is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad